military weapons. Welcome back everyone, and thank you so much for checking out our video. Be sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on for more like this in the future. Today we talk about the Lockheed AC-130 gunship. It's a heavily armed, long-endurance ground attack variant of the C-130 Hercules transport fixed-wing aircraft. It also carries a wide array of anti-ground-oriented weapons that are integrated with sophisticated sensors, navigation, and fire control systems. But unlike other military fixed-wing aircraft, the AC-130 relies on visual targeting. Because its large profile and low operating altitudes make it an easy target, it usually flies close air support missions at night. The airframe is manufactured by Lockheed Martin, while Boeing is responsible for the conversion into a gunship and for aircraft support. Developed during the Vietnam War as Project Gunship 2, the AC-130 replaced the Douglas AC-47 Spooky or Gunship 1. The sole operator is the United States Air Force, which uses the AC-130U Spooky and the AC-130W Stinger II variants for close air support, air interdiction, and force protection, with the AC-130J Ghost Rider in development. Close air support roles include supporting ground troops, escorting convoys, and urban operations. Air interdiction missions are conducted against planned targets and targets of opportunity. Forced protection missions include defending air bases and other facilities. The AC-130Us are based at Hurlburt Field, Florida, while the AC-130Ws are based at Cannon Air Force Base in New Mexico. Gunships can be deployed worldwide. The squadrons are part of the Air Force Special Operations Command, a component of the United States Special Operations Command. The AC-130 has an unpressurized cabin with the weaponry mounted to fire from the port side of the fuselage. During an attack, the gunship can perform a pylon turn, flying in a large circle around the target, therefore being able to fire at it for far longer than any conventional strafing attack. The AC-130H Spectre was armed with two 20mm M61 Vulcan cannons, one Bofors 40mm cannon, and one 105mm M102 howitzer. After 1994, the 20mm cannons were removed. The upgraded 130U Spooky has a single 25mm GAU-12 equalizer cannon in place of the Spectre's two 20mm cannons, an improved fire control system, and increased ammunition capacity. The new AC-130J is based on the MC-130J Combat Shadow II Special Operations tanker as of 2012. The AC-130W is armed with 130mm Bushmaster cannon, AGM-176 Griffin missiles, and GBU-39 small-diameter bombs. The Air Force then decided to add a 105mm cannon to the AC-130J in addition to the 30mm cannon and smart bombs, the shells being more accurate and cheaper than dropping small-diameter bombs. Air Force Special Operations Command is interested in adding a directed energy weapon to the AC-130J by 2020. Similar to the previous Advanced Tactical Laser program, it is to produce a beam of up to 120 kilowatts, or potentially even 180 to 200 kilowatts, weighing about 2,300 kilograms, defensively destroying anti-aircraft missiles, and defensively engaging communications towers, boats, cars, and aircraft. However, the laser armament may only be installed on a few aircraft rather than the entire AC-130J fleet. The laser will be mounted on the side in place of the 30mm cannon. Now, the AC-130 is also capable of delivering precision firepower or area saturation fire over a target area over a long period of time. At night or in adverse weather, the sensor suite consists of a television sensor, infrared sensor, and radar. These sensors allow the gunship to visually or electronically identify friendly ground forces and targets in most weather conditions. Now let's have a look at its general characteristics. It takes a crew of 13, with 5 officers, being a pilot, a co-pilot, a navigator, a fire control officer, and an electronic warfare officer. It also has 8 enlisted, being the flight engineer, the TV operator, the infrared detection set operator, the loadmaster, and 4 aerial gunners. It has a length of 29.8 meters, with a wingspan of 40.4 meters, being a height of 11.7 meters and a wing area of 162.2 meters squared. The loaded weight is over 55,000 kilograms, with a max takeoff weight of 169,750 kilograms. The power plant features 4 Allison T56A15 turboprops, 3,700 kilowatts each. Of its performance, it can reach a maximum speed of 480 kilometers per hour with a range of 4,070 kilometers, with a service ceiling of 9,100 meters. And as far as cost goes, the AC-130H is $132.4 million, and as of 2016, the AC-130U cost $253 million. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe for more like it in the future.